Frames are deeply connected to human cognition. Let us consider three specific ways. First, frames are a structured knowledge representation. We can think of production systems as being atoms of knowledge representation and frames as being molecules of knowledge representation. A production rule captures a very small amount of information. A frame can capture a large amount of information in an organized manner as a packet. Second, frames enable me to construct a theory of cognitive processing which is not entirely bottom-up, but is partially top-down. I receive a lot of data from the world, but not all of the cognitive processing is bottom-up. The data results in the retrieval of information from my memory. That information, that knowledge in the form of frames then helps me make sense of the data. It helps me generate expectations in the world. So then the processing becomes not just bottom-up, but also top-down. Third, frames capture the notion of stereotypes of situations, stereotypes of events. Now, stereotypes can sometimes lead us to incorrect inferences. Yet you and I have stereotypes of various kinds of events and situations. So why do we have stereotypes? Because they are cognitively efficient. And why are they cognitively efficient? Because instead of reasoning about the world anew each time, they already have default values associated with them. That's the property of frame. All the default values then enable me to generate certain number of expectations very rapidly. That's cognitively efficient. Here are three fundamental connections between frames and human cognition. There are a lot more that we'll get into slowly.